The Northern Plains. The Indo-Gangetic Plains are also known as the Northern Plains or the North Indian River Plains. They are a large and fertile plain surrounding most of the northern and eastern India. The Northern Plains of India are one of the most fertile plains of the world. These plains lie between the Himalayas and the southern plateaus. It feeds its numerous rivers and are the source of fertile alluvium deposited across the region by the two river systems. Division of plains of northern India. The three great rivers, the Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, divide the northern plains into three parts. 1. The Satluj Basin, 2. The Ganga Basin, and 3. The Brahmaputra Basin. The Satluj Basin. Less than one-third of the Indus Basin is situated in India in the parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. It is about 2,900 km long and its primary tributaries include the Satluj, the Beas, the Ravi, the Chenab and the Jhelum. These rivers have turned the plain of country's northern region extremely fertile. The main crops grown in this region are wheat, rice, sugarcane and cotton. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been constructed on the Satluj River. Amritsar, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Ambala and Chandigarh are some important cities of the basin. The Ganga Basin. The Ganga is considered the most sacred river of our country. It originates at Bhagirathi from a glacier called Gangotri. The Alaknanda and Mandakini rivers join Bhagirathi on its way down to the hills. The combined water of all these rivers flow as the Ganga. The river Yamuna originates from a glacier called Yamunotri, joins Ganga at Allahabad. This place is called Sangam. The Himalayan rivers which join the Ganga after Allahabad from the west to east are the Gomti, the Gandak and the Kosi. The flow of rivers slows down due to the load of sediments it carries. Therefore, before entering sea, it leaves the deposits of its sediments on its mouth and hence branches into distributaries and forms a delta. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra join together in Bangladesh and make the largest delta in the world called the Sundarban Delta. The Brahmaputra Basin. The Brahmaputra River originates in Tibet, where it is called Yarlung-Zangbo. This river is longer compared to the Indus and most of its course lies in Tibet. In Arunachal Pradesh, it is called Dihang. After the convergence of the Lohit River and Dibang River, it is named the Brahmaputra. Finally, it enters Bangladesh and falls into the Bay of Bengal. This region of India is very fertile due to heavy rainfall. It is called the food bowl of India. Importance of the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains are very important for the country in the following ways. 1. The plains have fertile alluvial soils which are excellent for growing food grains as well as cash crops. 2. The plains have ideal climate for growing a variety of crops. 3. There is a good network of roads and railways in the plains. 4. Many agro-based industries are located in this region. 5. Perennial rivers are useful for irrigation as several canals have been taken out from them. Tube wells are also an important means of irrigation in this region. Pollution of the Ganga. The Ganga is the most sacred river for the Indians, but it has become highly polluted due to the industrial and household wastes being dropped into the river. The extreme population of the Ganga affects 400 million people who live closer to the river. The government has set up the Ganga Action Plan to clean the river. Many laws have been made to prohibit dropping domestic and industrial wastes into the river. It is our duty to keep this sacred river clean. Life in the Northern Plains. Punjab. The land of Punjab is drained by 5 rivers. They are the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Satluj and the Beas. All are tributaries of the Indus River. Wheat, pulses, vegetable and milk are the main items included in the food of the people. They are very fond of lassi and ghee. Men generally wear tehmat, long kurta and turban on head. Women wear salwar kameez. The people of Punjab speak Punjabi and follow Sikh religion. Bhangra and Gidda are the popular folk dances of Punjab. Gurpurab, Baisakhi, Holi and Diwali are the main festivals of people of Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. The Golden Temple is located in Amritsar. Other important cities of Punjab are Ludhiana and Jalandhar. Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. It lies on the border of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. It is a metropolitan city and has a mixture of various cultures of the country. All the major festivals are celebrated here. Hindi, English, Punjabi and Urdu are the main languages spoken here. It has several monuments like the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort, the Old Fort, the Jama Masjid, etc. Haryana. Haryana is bordered by Punjab and Himachal Pradesh to the north and by Rajasthan to the west and south. Haryana also surrounds Delhi on 3 sides, forming the northern, western and southern borders of Delhi. Dairy farming and agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Haryana. Wheat, rice, jowar, maize, sugarcane are the majorly grown crops here. Men wear dhoti kurta and women wear salwar, kurta and dupatta. They also wear ghagra, kameez and odhni. The people of Haryana speak Hindi and Haryanvi. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state of India. It covers a large part of the highly fertile Gangetic Plain. It shares an international border with Nepal. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. The state is drained by Ganga and its tributaries such as the Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, etc. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, pulses and oilseeds are the major crops of the plains of Uttar Pradesh. Farming is the main occupation. Weaving and handicrafts are other occupations. People mostly speak various dialects of Hindi and Urdu. They celebrate Holi, Diwali, Dashehra, Ram Navami, Eid, etc. Bihar. Bihar is to the east of Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Patna. About 85% of the population of the state lives in villages. Hindi and Urdu are the official languages of the state, whilst the majority of people speak one of the Bihari languages. Angika, Bhojpuri, Magadhi, Maithili and Bajjika. Chhath is a very important festival of Bihar. The people of Bihar earn their livelihood from farming. They grow rice, sugarcane, pulses, jute, etc. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are cities of historical importance in Bihar. West Bengal. The state of West Bengal is in the eastern part of India. To its northeast lie the states of Assam, Sikkim and Bhutan. To its southwest lies the state of Odisha. Kolkata, situated on the banks of the Hooghly River, is the state capital. The main occupation of Bengali people are farming and fishing. The farmers grow rice and jute. The Bengalis are fond of eating rice and fish. They speak Bengali. Rasgulla and Sandesh are favorite sweet dishes of Bengali. Bengali women wear colorful cotton sari and blouse. Men wear dhoti and kurta. The Bengali people celebrate Durga Puja with great devotion and fervor. Assam. Assam is the northeastern state of India. Its capital is Dispur. It is located south of the eastern Himalayas. The Brahmaputra is the main river flowing through Assam. The Brahmaputra is known as the sorrow of Assam. It causes heavy floods during the rainy season. This fertile plain is, however, known for rice and jute cultivation. The main occupation of the people of Assam is farming. Some people work in coal mines and oil fields too. Men folk wear dhoti and kurta, while women wear sari and blouse. They are fond of music and dance. Bihu is a famous dance of Assam. The people of Assam are called Assamese, while the language is also called Assamese.